Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariella. My channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is July the 15th. Wow, half the year is gone already. Where did this time go? Today's devotion is Look at Eternity. We do not lose heart, though outwardly we are wasting away, yet inwardly we are being renewed day by day. For our light and momentary troubles are achieving for us an eternal glory that far outweighs them all. 2 Corinthians 4:16 and 17. When our body starts to fail us, it can be frustrating. It's hard to see that we are being transformed to greatness when confronted with more troubles. Discouragement starts with fixating on the problem rather than the truth of the future. If you are feeling down on life right now, remember that one day all will be made right. Let yourself look forward to Jesus instead of your daily troubles. God, keep my eyes above any troubles that may come into my day. Help me to set aside worries, anxieties, and other stresses, knowing that they are only temporary. The nighttime devotion. It's in our nature to review and replay things of the day in our minds. Sometimes we remember the things someone said to make us laugh, or we replay an argument or some advice we gave. It may take a bit of effort, but try looking at your day with the thoughts of what went unseen. Think of the joy you experienced when laughing. Think of the life you brought to someone else's day with your kind words. These are the things of eternity, and they are worth fixing your eyes on. The question of the day: in what way can you see God's eternal goodness in your day-to-day life? I hope that my videos bring joy to people. I know the devotional videos don't do that well, but my cooking videos are doing better. So, and from the comments section, everybody seems to like them, like both of them, the ones that comment. So think about that. What joy do you bring to your day-to-day life? I want to thank you all for watching. If you would like and subscribe and ring that notification bell, leave a comment and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.